In this guide, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to free up massive disk space on Windows 11, 10.8, and even Windows 7. First, let's start with the built-in storage sense. Right-click the Start button and choose Settings. Then go to System Storage. Here, turn on Storage Sense. Now click on it and configure it properly. Select Every Day under Automatic Cleanup. Set downloads to Never Delete if you want to keep them, but tick the option to automatically delete temp system files. This will keep junk cleared without you having to manually clean every week. Next, let's use disk cleanup for system files, not just normal cleanup. Search for Clean MGR, right-click, and choose Run as administrator. Select your C drive. Now click Clean up System Files. Here, enable checkboxes in the side picture. These are safe to delete. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and type, press Enter. This command cleans up the WinSxS folder, which holds old update files. For many users, this single step frees up several gigabytes safely without harming your system. Windows 10 and 11 reserve 7 GB of disk space for updates. To free this, search for PowerShell, right-click and run as administrator. Press Enter. Restart your system, and the reserved space is released back to you. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.